Hi YouTube, in this video we will discuss about if-else statement, and in previous video we have discussed about the variables, and in this video we will discuss about if and if-else statement. Well, basically if and if-else statement is a conditional statement. It is used to check the conditions. So let me discuss you about what is how we are going to work with the if-else statement, but before that I want you to look at this thing. So guys, let's say that there are signs like greater and less than sign. So for example, let's say that I want to compare two values, like 2 is greater than 5, which we know that it is false, that 2 is not greater than 5. Now there could be another scenario that it says that 2 is less than 5, which we know it is true. So what we are going to do with if-else statement, basically we are going to compare the conditions, and if that condition is true, the statement will run, and if that condition is not true, the statement will false. So that's how it works. It checks the condition and then execute the statement. So we will now start writing the code. Okay, so for that we need integer data type, because we want to ask the user to enter any value. So I'm going to write int, and I'm going to name the variable a. Now I'm going to print the statement which tells the user to enter a value. So console, I'm going to call console class, console write, enter any value, and a equals 2. So it's an int data type. Let's work with a double. Now I'm going to write convert dot to double, and console So what happens over here, the user enters the value and it is going to assign to a. Now if statement comes. So if statement begins with if and the condition. So I'm going to write over a is greater than 5. There could be a scenario which tells that whether I could enter 6. If I enter 6, so it will print out that console.write entered value is greater. I'm just going to copy paste it. Now there could be another scenario which tells that the entered value is smaller than 5, so it will print the statement smaller. Let's say that if I enter a 2, it checks this statement, and we know that 2 is not greater than 5, so this statement will false. This will not execute, and this will execute. So there's another method, like instead of writing if, I could also write if else. If else, it checks that whether this is not true, it will run this one, and there could be another scenario which I will discuss with you guys later. Now right now just run this program. Okay guys, so over here it says that enter any value. Let's say I'm going to enter 2. So it says that entered value is smaller. We know that this condition executes. Now if I enter another value, like say I'm going to enter 6, so we know that 6 is greater, but there's a condition. What if I enter 5? What if I enter 5? We know that 5 is not greater than 5, less than, but it is equal. So let's see what our program does. If I enter 5, it will do nothing because none of condition is true. So for that, I could have write that else condition does not match. I'm just wanted to tell the user that the condition is not true. Okay, so to solve this problem, what we can do is that we can say that a is greater than and less than equals to 5, or we can say a is less than equals to 5. Now let's run this program and enter 5, and for that this statement does not match over here. I just did it to show you that how it works. So for that, if any value comes equals to 5, we can write another statement which states that if a equals to 5, so value is equal. Now if I enter 5, it says that value is equal. So this how if condition works. It basically checks the condition and produces the result. So I hope you like this video and subscribe to this channel and stay classy.